Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Clancy and in today's video we're going to be looking at probably the niftiest hand tool in the electrical market, the CAP4.
The CAP4 is a 3-in-1 hand crimper that can cut, strip, and crimp in absolutely no time at all. The CAP4 has a cutting and crimping range from 0.5 to 2.5 mil squared. And on top of that, a cartridge with cord end sleeves built into the tool, making it insanely functional and fast for its size. To use, simply insert the wire under the blade at the top of the tool and compress the handles to cut. Then place the cut wire against the stripping jaws. Make sure it's hard up against the length stop to ensure consistent strips. To get rid of any excess outer sheath, simply place the wire into the second set of jaws and compress, rolling the outer sheath off the wire. To complete the crimp, move the bootlace pin into place, insert the wire and compress the handles one more time. In this step, the CAP4 will crimp and cut the bootlace pin and the crimp is now complete. If you're interested in the CAP4, feel free to check it out on our website at uttco.com.au or send us an email at sales@uttco.com.au. Thanks for watching, see you next time.